Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube video about aquarium plants. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of aquatic plants and how they can transform your aquarium into a thriving ecosystem. Discover the benefits of aquarium plants, learn about different types and uncover tips for successful plant care. The benefit of aquarium plants. Aquarium plants offer numerous benefits to your underwater habitat. They provide a natural aesthetic appeal, creating a lush and vibrant environment for your fish. Additionally, plants help to improve water quality by absorbing nitrates and producing oxygen through photosynthesis. They also provide shelter and hiding spots for fishing and can contribute to the overall well-being and balance of the aquarium ecosystem. Types of aquarium plants. There is a wide variety of aquarium plants to choose from, each with its unique characteristics and care requirements. Some popular options include foreground plants like Java moss and Defer's baby tears, mid-ground plants such as Amazon sword and Anobias, and background plants like Valencia and Hornwort. Understanding the growth, habitat, lighting needs, and nutrients requirements of different plant species is the key to selecting the right plants for your aquarium. Planting and maintenance tips. Proper planting and maintenance are crucial for the success of your aquarium plants. Start by providing a nutrient-rich substrate to anchor the plants. Use appropriate lighting considering the needs of your chosen plant species. Regularly trim and prune the plants to maintain their shape and promote healthy growth. Additionally, ensure a balanced supply of essential nutrients including carbon dioxide, fertilizers, and trace elements to support plant health. Regular water testing and maintenance will also help to ensure optimal conditions for your aquarium plants and their inhabitants. Conclusion. Aquarium plants are not only aesthetically pleasing but also play a vital role in maintaining a healthy and thriving aquatic ecosystem. By choosing the right plants, providing appropriate care, and maintaining optimal conditions, you can create a visually stunning and biologically balanced underwater paradise. Embrace the beauty and benefit of aquarium plants and take your aquatic hobby to the next level. Thanks for watching.